Be sure to follow the recommended cable tensioning sequence to help minimize stress on the railing frame and easily adjust uniform tension across all of the cables. Start at the center cable and alternate until all cables are tightened. Use a pair of 3/8" open-end wrenches to adjust tension at the quick connect pivot tensioner. Use one wrench to hold the body of the tensioner steady while using the other wrench to tighten the swivel end. This will ensure the cable does not twist. If your cables are still loose after tensioning, don't panic. You can disengage the quick connect jaws using our quick connect release tool. Slide off the rubber protector seal, then slide the release tool into the fitting. Pull the cable free and trim as needed. You may use a Feeney tension gauge to determine when you have tightened the cables enough. Once the cable is tensioned, tighten the lock nuts against the quick connect pivot tensioner to prevent it from loosening. Our railing is complete. For questions about your installation, visit our website or call us toll-free at 800-888-2418. Send in your finished project photos for the chance to win big cash prizes.